Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build a Nerd, and in today's video, we're 3D printing the Tesla Cybertruck. Let's check it out. This model of the Tesla Cybertruck was found on Thingiverse. I'll put a link in the description if you want to print it too. This model was printed on my Creality CR10 and Uncle Jesse's gunmetal silver PLA from Zyltech. I also use his process for my CR10 in Simplify 3D. I'll put his channel in the description too. He's definitely one of my favorite YouTubers when it comes to 3D printing. As far as the print came out pretty great. The truck body was printed in one piece, and then I printed the four wheels and then attached them to the axles. Looking at the 3D printed Cybertruck has only reinforced my love of the uniqueness of the design. The sharp angles really make this a great model of 3D print, and I can't wait to paint it in the future. Alright, so now that we've talked a bit about the print, let's talk about the truck in general and my thoughts overall. So, wow, when the thing rolled on the stage, I was watching the live stream, like everyone else, just pure shock. I mean, Elon said some stuff in tweets about, it's going to look crazy, sci-fi, Blade Runner. I love those movies, but, who would have thought? Someone who loves sci-fi, TV shows, movies, really anything in that vein, I saw the truck and instantly I knew I have to have it. Honestly, it feels like it just rolled off the set of one of these shows or movies. Who doesn't want to drive something like that for every day? So the design is definitely controversial. I think more people like it than don't. People just see like this sci-fi crazy thing. I personally love design. I'm on reservation for a dual motor Cybertruck. I would love to get a tri-motor, but even I know my financial limits here, okay? But honestly, when I see normal cars on the road, even looking at my car, I just think it's boring now. You see something like a Cybertruck and you're like, that's fun, that's interesting, that's awesome. Despite the design, which I get if people don't love, but personally I do, you cannot argue with the specs of this thing. Anywhere from the single motor all the way up to the tri is just like unbelievable performance. If there's one thing Tesla always delivers on, it's performance, it's the specs. I also really love Tesla as a company. Electric is definitely the future of all automobiles. We have to transition to more sustainable resources like electricity. Tesla really always delivers great vehicles, starting from the original Roadster to the S, the X, the 3, Y, now the Cybertruck. And I'm sure that, semi-truck will be great too, but I'm never going to sit in that thing. Tesla's made also a lot of smart decisions. One of the biggest ones, I think, is their supercharger network. The network definitely solves one of the biggest questions around EVs is, where am I going to charge the dang thing? Besides, their house. And if you installed one of the Tesla chargers in your home, you never even have to go to a supercharger if you just have a short commute every day. And, of course, everyone's like, what if we go on road trips? Well, even though everyone goes on a road trip maybe once a year, even less, but it's still a valid question, which the Tesla Supercharger network solves all those problems. And the Supercharger network will definitely get better over time. More chargers, faster charging, all the above. Tesla has also really lit a fire under conventional automakers in terms of developing EVs and really push the boundaries as, what can be done in a car. Cars now more than ever are a piece of technology, and that's what I personally love about Teslas, and I think that's why they're going to stay around for, a really long time. How about you guys? What do you think of the Tesla Cybertruck? Let me know in the comments down below. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below, and follow me on Twitter at BuildANerdVideo. And until next time, bye-bye.